Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Stanley here again, and I'm back again with a new YouTube video. And the video is about, is PayPal safe? I hear a lot of people talking about PayPal, having PayPal accounts, and is it safe to still have it? Ghanaians are being banned, and a lot of questions all around. And I want to just make a review on how I use my PayPal account, and how effective it is to me, and how it can help people if they also take the same routine as I do, as I operate my PayPal account. So the first thing is, I have a PayPal account, but I have two types of PayPal accounts. PayPal allows you to create a business account and a personal account. So you have the option to create a PayPal account for your personal account and the business account. So with my personal account, it's a US type of PayPal, and this is how I access my PayPal account. I use a VPN, as I told you guys earlier about the Express VPN. Turn on my Express VPN to USA, New York. Then since my PayPal is a US type of PayPal account, it means that I need to access it through an IP in US. Okay, so when I connect to my VPN giving me an IP address in US, then I access to my PayPal app on my screen. So I'm connecting to the VPN right now. Once it's connected, I just go back to the PayPal app. So I'm still waiting for it to connect. It's taking a while, but I think it will connect soon. It hasn't been this like this before. Okay, so I'm connected to USA, New York. Okay, so I can go back and move to my PayPal app. This is my PayPal app. Okay, so you can see my PayPal app. I've already signed in. I don't have to input my logins because of this video. So this is my PayPal app, and I have money waiting and a whole lot. So with my experience with the US account, all I can say is this: having the US account is good, but then it has its downside, or let's say its problem. Okay, it's having a little problem that you will face, because with a US account you will need to activate the account with a social security number, and since I'm a Ghanaian, I don't have a social security number. Therefore, I use this PayPal account basically for transaction, let's say purchasing stuffs online. Okay, purchasing stuffs online, that's all. I don't use it for any other thing. I think I made an error by making someone send it to this account instead of my other account, my business account. So with this one, I need a social security number in order for me to be able to accept the money into my PayPal account. So with this, I don't use it in accepting money, but I use it in making transactions to people. Okay, making transactions to people. And someone will ask, why do I need PayPal account to make transactions to people, and why don't I use my credit card or my Visa card or my debit card, any card that I have, to just make transactions? And my review is this, or my point is this: I like using the PayPal accounts for my payment or transactions online, because the PayPal platform is a very safe platform. Therefore, when I connect my credit card or my debit card or MasterCard to the PayPal account that I've created, I don't need to enter my credit card number or my MasterCard number on any platform. Okay, I don't need to enter the MasterCard or the account number on any platform, input the expiry, and input the CVV2 or the CVV on the website or the platform, because some websites don't have security on it. So when you actually input your data, maybe the name on your card, the number on your card, the expiry on your card and the CVV on your card, it makes it very easy for someone to fish that information out and use it for fraudulent activities. So in order to be saved from this fraudulent stuffs, from maybe phishing sites that will capture your data and information to use it anyhow, I feel it will be very safe if you sign up, get a VPN, sign up onto PayPal personal account, get a US type, create it, and just link your MasterCard or anything for it. But this kind of PayPal account can be used to receive money, because if you want to receive money, then you will need to verify the account using a social security number. And with a social security number, since you are a Ghanaian, you can't have a social security number. Social security number is for, I think, the US citizens, so you can have it. But if you think you want to verify it, there are ways and means that you can verify it. Maybe you've traveled to the US, or you've been to the US or something. You can get people in the US who can assist you and help you, because there are bank services that helps you when you don't have a social security number but you want to create a bank account. So these bank services can help you create your PayPal or verify your PayPal account. If you've been to the US before, or maybe you have a family friend or something outside in the States, they can help you submit some few documents and other stuffs to help you verify your PayPal account. Or you can use the other method, which is the LLC, to do it. Register a company, an LLC in US or something, and use that LLC. There is a code, I think there is something that they give you when you register an LLC in US, and that code can be used to also sign up to verify your PayPal account. So with my experience with it, I've been using it to make transactions online, payments online, but not receiving it. So you can adapt this style to keep yourself safe from people or websites that will fish your MasterCard information for their fraudulent activities and anything that they want to do. So this PayPal account is not for receiving money. As you can see, if I go to accept the money, they are going to tell me, okay, so I've used my fingerprint to create the whole system, so I need to just put my fingerprint in, and it asks me, what do you want to do with the $9 that I have received? So transfer it to your bank, keep it in PayPal. Okay, so if you want to keep it in PayPal, you need to verify it. You need to verify the PayPal account. So you need to scroll down, and when I scroll down to continue, agree and continue, it says confirm your identity. Okay, so you would have to confirm your identity with this, and the confirmation you need here is a problem. So you will need a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Okay, so if you don't have that, it means you can't verify it. You will need the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. My full name is there, my date of birth, you have to input everything, and your residential address and everything. But you can't do that, so it means you can receive the money. And the other option is you accept it and transfer to your bank. Okay, and you choose your speed in 1 minute, I think in minutes, and in 1 to 3 days, no fee. So I think in minutes it gives you, says link a new debit card or link a new bank account. Okay, so I've tried most of the Ghanaian banks, the cards connected to my banks here. I linked it to it, but I wasn't able to withdraw it into the cards that I linked to the PayPal account. So when you go to the in 1 to 3 days, you have to choose a new, in that section you have to choose a bank, so you have to link a new bank account. And when you go to the link a new bank account, you can't have Ghanaian banks in there. The only banks there are Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, PNC Bank, TD Bank. So if you've been, as I said earlier, if you've been to the US before, then you might have created any of these bank accounts, or maybe someone has helped you to create this bank account, so you would have your logins. Then you can be able to log into this account and transfer your money to it, and it will verify your PayPal account. So if you have any US bank that you have created, maybe you went to the US and you were able to create a bank account with any of these banks per chance, then you can also use the banks to actually you can transfer the money to your bank, not to verify it, sorry. So you can't verify it because you will surely need the social security number in order to verify it, or the individual taxpayer identification number to verify it. So this is my simple review and how I use my my PayPal account. And with the US account, it has a lot of benefits and a lot of stuffs in it that you can enjoy in it. But since you are not in US and you don't have a social security number, you can't benefit a lot from the PayPal account. But I think it's the best for me for payment online, because I use it to pay stuff securely without people without platforms not knowing my cards, my Visa cards or my MasterCard numbers and everything. So I think it's the best option, and I wish everybody can use it. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new YouTube video. Thank you. Bye.